Hi there! Today we are going to talk about something called OEM numbers and why there is super important when it's come to truck spare part. And this is not just for any truck. We are talking about big name like Mercedes, Volvo and Scania. So, what is an OEM number? Well, it's a unique code that's given to each part by the original manufacturer. You can usually find this number printed on the part itself or in the manufacturer catalog. This number is like the part ID. It tells us everything about the part, like its size, shape, and what it's made of. Now, there are something interesting. Some truck spare parts are made up of several components, and they might not have just one OEM number. Instead, each individual component within the part could have its own unique OEM number. So, when you are dealing with this kind of parts, you will need to pay attention to the OEM number of all the components. Also, it's worth nothing that in some spare parts you might find a number that is not an OEM number. But don't worry, this number can still help you to find the spare part you need. It's all about knowing where to look and what to look for. But how can you tell if a number is an OEM number or not? And how can you know if an OEM number for a specific brand like Mercedes? Well, the best way is to consult the manufacturer part catalog or website. They will typically list the OEM number for each part. If you are still unsure, you can always reach out to manufacturer or authorized dealer for confirmation. Now, you might be wondering, why are those OEM numbers so important? Well, there are few reasons. First off, they ensure accuracy. By using the OEM number, you can be sure you are getting the exact part you need. This is super important for truck because using the wrong part can lead to big problems, including safety risk and poor performance. Secondly, OEM number guarantee quality. If a part has an OEM number, you know it meets the manufacturer standards. It's designed to work perfectly with your specific truck model, whether that is a Mercedes, Volvo, or Scania. Thirdly, OEM number make replacing part a breeze. With the right number, you can easily find and order the part you need. No more worrying about getting a part that doesn't fit. So, if you need to order spare part for your truck, whether it's Mercedes, Volvo, or Scania, make sure you have the OEM number. You can usually find this in your vehicle's manual or in the part itself, or by reaching out the manufacturer or authorized dealer. In a nutshell, OEM numbers are super important for managing your truck's performance and safety. They make sure you get the right part every time, helping to keep your truck, be it a Mercedes, Volvo, or Scania, running smoothly for longer. So, remember to check those OEM numbers.